Hi, I'm Johnny Butts, and I'm going to be talking about autonomous driving in South Korea. To start this video off, I'm going to talk about what is autonomous driving. Autonomous driving refers to vehicles capable of navigating roads without direct human control, using AI, LiDAR with sensors, cameras, radar, GPS, and high definition maps. These systems allow vehicles to detect obstacles, follow traffic patterns, and make driving decisions all on their own. Now, who is using autonomous driving? Automakers and tech companies like Hyundai Motor Group, Kia, Samsung Electronics, such as like sensor and semiconductor tech, Naver for robot delivery and mapping, KT and SK Telecom for 5G to V2X communication. Government and public agencies are using it for MOLIT, Ministry of Land, Infrastructure and Transportation, Seoul Metropolitan Government, the Incheon Free Economic Zone, or other known as the IFEZ. And transportation and logistic providers are also using it, such as robo-taxis, especially in Seoul and Pangyo, autonomous buses, which are seen a lot in Sejong City, and self-driving delivery robots on campuses and in apartments. Why are they using it? Well, there's labor shortages in logistics and delivery, where e-commerce is huge, but drivers are limited. There's traffic congestion and safety concerns. Dense cities like Seoul need smoother, safer mobility systems. There's need for support for a rapidly aging population. Many seniors live in suburban or rural areas with limited transportation. In the national strategy for high-tech economic growth, Korea is positioning itself as a global leader in robotics, 5G/6G, and AI. Environmental sustainability goals for reduced emissions, fewer traffic jams, and EV autonomous fleet integration. So, where is autonomous driving being used in South Korea? Well, they're used in major deployment areas: Seoul for robotic robo taxis, and Sangam and Gangnam autonomous delivery robots; Pangyo Techno Valley for self-driving car testing hub; Sejong Smart City for autonomous buses and shuttles and public transit; in, in IFEZ for port logistics automation, autonomous cargo movement; and then for Dago, National R&D Center for Smart Mobility University campuses, and delivery robots for in-campus shuttles. And they're also used in special zones, which are government designated regulatory free zones that allow companies to test level 3 to through 4 autonomous vehicles more freely. And that's also for the safety of the public. When is autonomous driving being used? Well, in the short term or near future, like 2025 through 2030, nationwide robotaxi expansion, level 4 buses in controlled urban zones, and fully autonomous logistics inside ports and industrial complexes. Right now, public robotaxi pilots 2023 through 2025, autonomous buses operating in parts of Sejong, and there's delivery robots in Seoul neighborhoods and apartment complexes, and there are self-driving shuttles in some smart cities. Long term, which would be after 2030 and beyond, would be like widespread adoption of level 4 and 5 vehicles, integration with 6G networks, and national autonomous public transport network. How can autonomous driving help South Korea achieve the Sustainable Development Goals? Well, I put a few here, but really it can help with all of them. SDG 3, good health and well being, helps reduce traffic accidents through safer AI driven decisions, provides mobility for seniors and people with disabilities, and it's faster emergency transport using autonomous ambulances, which is in development. For SDG 8, decent work and economic growth. This creates high tech jobs in AI, sensors and EV manufacturing, improves labor efficiency in logistics and delivery industries, and it supports Korea's goal to lead globally in the future of mobility. For SDG 9, industry, innovation, and infrastructure, which I feel like is clear, this uses 5G and 6G networks for vehicle to everything communication, develops smart cities like Sejong and Pangyo that integrate autonomous mobility, and this strengthens Korea's innovation ecosystem. For SDG 11, sustainable cities and communities, I mean, this just reduces congestion in Seoul through autonomous mobility, supports clean, accessible public transport via autonomous buses, and improves walkability and safety with smart traffic systems. And lastly, for SDG 12, autonomous EV fleets maximize energy efficiency, optimize routes, reduce fuel waste and delivery emissions, and this also supports circular design through reusable mobility platforms. And to end this video off, I want to do a two truths and one lie. If you have your answer in the comments, I'll let you know if you're right. South Korea already operates autonomous buses in Sejong Smart City as part of its public transportation system. South Korea plans to use 6G networks to support nationwide level 4 autonomous vehicles after 2030. And South Korea has banned all robotaxi testing in Seoul due to safety concerns. Thank you for watching.